morning, loves. Welcome to Life with Jess. I am so excited today because today is episode 2 of a fashion styling video. I am gonna style 2 to 3 pieces from my favorite boutique ever, Princess Polly. I absolutely love their clothing. It's super cute, and like you can literally style it in so many different ways. That is why I'm only styling 2 to 3 pieces today. Okay, so I'm like super excited to show y'all how to style these clothing pieces. The first item I'm gonna style is my short sleeve mini dress. This dress is like super cute. You can wear it in so many different styles, and the quality is like amazing. This dress is super stretchy, like super stretchy. To spice this dress up a little bit, we can pair it up with some long boots. They could be black, they can be white, they can be any color that you choose. I just think pairing it up with some white long boots is going to make it super spontaneous, super cute. You can also pair it up with a leather jacket. I think the leather jacket with the blue dress and the long heel boots are going to just make this dress super fancy, like New York vibes. I think this dress is perfect for anything. We are moving on to the second style. So the second style is more of a beachy vibe. If you're going out to the beach this summer, you can pair this up with a cute bucket hat, and I also paired them up with some cheetah print sunglasses. I think it'll just look super cute. And I also went ahead and paired them up with these sandals. These sandals are super cute. These sandals just make it 10 times beachier. Like you can literally be with your friends, with your girlfriends, and y'all are gonna look super cute in this dress. A third style with this dress is winter, since we are in winter here in Texas. You can pair it up with a cute scarf. Just tie it around. It is gonna cover that defining piece that I told y'all, but it's still gonna look super cute because you are gonna pair it up with a coat. The way that I would personally wear this dress is to just throw on some nude heels. I think it'll look super cute if you're going downtown to take pictures. This dress, I feel like it's made for like the beach or like summer, but honestly, the way that you just style things just makes everything look different. There's like a different perspective. It has like little ruffles at the bottom, so that's like extra detail. And like I said, it's super stretchy, perfect. Princess Polly did such an amazing job. I love them so much. Enough of that beautiful blue dress. Next, we are going to move on to a Princess Polly skirt. I think this Princess Polly skirt is like super iconic. It has 2-piece PP for Princess Polly. I think it's super cute, so I'm gonna zoom in real quick on the detail. I think this skirt is super cute. It does have extra layering for the top, and then the bottom just for your legs, so it is super secure too. I absolutely love this skirt. It's so cute, so adorable. It literally screams pink. Like everything is literally pink. I think Princess Polly did such an amazing job with this. The way that I would pair this up is, the first thing is just adding a cute little white top, a simple top. Also, you can pair this up with some nude heels. You can pair this up with the long boots. You can pair this up with honestly any shoes. My dogs were literally barking. I think they're getting excited. The next way we can pair this beautiful skirt is by adding a bodysuit. I think it will look super elegant, super cute. If you're going out to dinner with your girlfriends, like it'll be super cute, and you can pair this up with honestly anything again, like some nude heels, some long boots, some cute furry black heel, and it's super nice quality too. And this one is stretchy, but not as stretchy as the dress. If you're like nah, the bodysuit is not for me, you can literally just pair it off the shoulder kind of crop top. I think this is so cute. So that was a Princess Polly haul. I am so excited. I absolutely love this brand. I will literally link everything down below, and I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to keep supporting me and my dreams. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and follow me on Instagram to see how I put these outfits together in a different way. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!